Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have a special unboxing, this time from Google itself, the Pixel 5a. And as you know, the Pixel 6a now is out in the market, but you know what's happening right now, a lot of issues when Google started, drop new phone. It takes time for them to fix the software issues and stuff like that. But this is a champion from the day one. This one was really good, the Pixel 5a, and now there is a discount on it since the 6a is out. So let's check it out. I love this phone actually, and the way as you can see it, look at this beauty. This color is nice. It's like a dark green. It's not black. It's like dark green color. It looks really good, man. So one of the aspects that I like about the Pixel 5a is that it has very nice aesthetics, as you can see. A very nice tactile hit, and we have a headphone jack. So as you can see, nice headphone jack. It's a metal in the back, so you don't need to put like a case or anything. And as you can see, we have a stereo speakers. Man, this is beautiful. This one is really awesome. And we have the ultra wide and the main camera on the right here. So we have a great cameras, 8 megapixel on the left side here. So let's just put this phone right here and see what else we have in the box. We have a SIM ejector tool and probably some booklets, as you can see. Oh, check this out, guys. We have a charger. Now, a lot of companies don't provide chargers, but this is I think this is an 18 watts charger, I believe. Let me just do some zoom in. I believe it's a 9 volt 2 amps charger, 15 watts. Yep, it's a fast charger. But anywho, that's a good addition for the Pixel. And we have also a USB Type C to USB Type C, I believe. Yep. And we have this USB Type A to USB Type C if you want to like connect to laptop or anything else you want to share your files. That is a good addition. So to be honest with you, I'm very excited about this phone. It has 128 gigabytes, 6 gigabyte RAM. It's standard. It's the only version out there, but the touch of it's really beautiful. Like, I can feel it. Like, it's really good, well made. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna try to use this phone here in Saudi Arabia and see if actually 5G works. I believe they fixed it, but we're gonna see right now if the 5G does work. Let's take out the stickers and let's see if there is any juice. 3, 2, 1. It seems there is nothing, but I see there's good screen to body ratio, as you can see. Very nice, looks symmetric, but there is no body. I think there is no charging. I need to plug the charger. But this is a really good phone, guys, and the camera is the highlights of this phone. So yeah, as you know, Google is a software company, so they know how to shoot great shots with the camera. So we're gonna test that. Anyways, this is the Pixel 5a unboxing. I'm gonna drop a lot of testing, compare it with other phones that I have, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in another video.